One of Amazon sellers come to us with this problem. His conversion is too low, though a lot of shoppers click on their listing, but never buy the products. Now from below 1%, we achieve this. Over 30% in less than 3 months. How? Only improving the A plus content. Interesting, right? Here's something most sellers don't realize. When shoppers click on your listing, usually they don't read this title or this bullet point to find the info about the product. This text only helps SEO indexing. That can't control shoppers' mind. But this does. Your A plus content. If your A plus content can't talk to the shoppers, you will not get any conversions. Here is what you should do. First of all, always add a brand story. It helps shoppers understand who you are, what you stand for, and why they should trust you. Take this example. Notice how they use visuals to highlight key benefits, use brand credibility with their brand message, make it easy to understand what the product does. This is exactly how brand story work. Not just showing the product, but telling the story behind it. And yes, you need to be eligible for your brand story. But it's simple. Just join the brand registry and have a registered trademark. Once you get it, the option shows up like this. Just click to create your own brand story. Here is my suggestion. Keep it visual and easy to read. Share your missions or values. Show what makes your brand different. Use real photos or behind the scenes shots. Now let's move to the A plus content. Alright, the first module you should focus on highlight your product here. Like this one. The product is nicely visible with brand logo. By the way, you can also add lifestyle images here. Like this one, and you can see this is the Premium A Plus content. You can use both basic and premium. Basic and premium both are okay. If you can create the strategic design, you can increase your conversion rate. But in your Premium A Plus content, you can get more extra benefits, like you can add videos, image carousels, and interactive hover hotspots. If I show you the difference from the Seller Central, in the basic, you can see only one comparison chart option, and all these are image modules with text. So you can only add images. Your options are limited in basic A plus content. Still, you can be creative and get more conversions. Utilize your A plus content. Use all 7 modules. The first module should be highlight your brand and logo. Next, you can add lifestyle image featuring your product in real life situation. Use infographic to clearly show the key benefits of your product. You can also add testimonials or trust badges, like this example. And the most important thing is add a product comparison chart. It makes it easier for customer to choose by laying out features, price, and spec side by side. These build trust, highlight what makes each product unique, and helps shoppers feel more confident in their decision. Make sure to use color that match your brand and avoid filling the images with too much text. Remember, images are for people. If shoppers have to read a lot of text inside an image, it loses impact. So keep it light on text. Use images that speak instantly, even at a glance. Clear, simple, and visually appealing always works best. Okay, these are the tips for basic A plus content, but if you are eligible for the premium A plus content, you should utilize these. Now, first talk about how you can be eligible for the premium. Well, it is simple. Your brand must be in brand registry, have a brand story, and have 15 approved A plus content submission in the last 12 months. Alright, so what do you do in Premium A plus content to boost your conversion rate? First, you should add banner images that focus on your brand and the product, just like in the basic A plus content. You know, the only difference in Premium A plus is the bigger image size. That means more space to show off every detail of your product, crystal clear and full screen. It's your chance to make a bold first impression. Image carousels like this one are great for keeping shoppers engaged. You can choose any style of image carousels. Use it to highlight your product benefits, show trust badges, or include infographic style visuals. Another big advantage of Premium Plus content is that you can add videos. Videos are more engaging than images. You can show how the product looks and work in real life. This helps shoppers understand your product better and get a clear idea before buying. Premium A Plus content also allows you to add interactive hover hotspot. This lets shoppers hover over different parts of your product image and get quick details, which increases engagement. Now let's talk about the comparison chart. Whether you use basic or Premium A Plus content, you should always include a product comparison chart. It helps shoppers easily see the difference between your product. Finally, Premium Plus lets you add a Q&A section, and you should definitely use it. Just like this example here, it answers common questions and helps remove doubts before purchase. Alright, let's be honest. Creating A+ content that actually works is not easy. It takes skill, strong design, and real storytelling experience. That's where Ecomclips comes in. We don't just create A+ content that looks good. We A/B test it, we optimize it, and we make it perform. With 12 years of experience and thousands of happy clients, we have helped brands earn Amazon's Choice and Bestseller badges again and again. Want the same result? Send us an email at info@ecomclips.com. We will do a free audit of your listing. Then we will help your product stand out and shine like it should.